Hey folks, it's Charlie Cavell at Chevyland again. I hope you and your family are having a sensational summer. But nothing spoils the summer fun like vehicle problems. So if you're having issues in mounting repair costs with your current vehicle, then it's time to come to Chevyland and check out our incredible inventory of brand new Chevrolets. From the Trax to the Suburban, Chevyland has an SUV to meet you and your family's needs as well as your budget. And if your old truck is on its last legs, then you need to get to your Silverado headquarters and trade in that old clunker for a brand new Chevy Silverado. And don't forget about the Chevyland Advantage, 12 months or 12,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance. It's only at Chevyland, your #1 new and used vehicle dealership in Shreveport, Bossier. At Chevyland, 7500 Urey Drive in Shreveport, or check us out on the web at chevyland.com. Chevyland, together let's drive.